Si short video lang. Share lang namin ng lunchtime dito sa Penny Rogers, Marinas. Ito po ang aming order. Caesar salad na napakasarap. Yan. Very healthy. Tapos, we have cucumber with lemon juice. And then, spaghetti with meatballs, muffin, rice, and then chicken, roasted chicken nila. Napakasarap din. With side dish, potato, and chicken